Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into cooking or just love a good kitchen upgrade, today's video is for you. So, recently I've had to make a pretty big change in my kitchen and I'm excited to share all the details with you. I've been using this so-called fake granite cookware for a while now, and honestly it's been kind of a nightmare. This right here has been my go-to for the past couple of years, and while it looked great at first, super sleek, shiny, just like granite, it's honestly been such a headache. The coating has started to peel off, and now whenever I cook, food sticks to the surface, which makes cleaning a real chore. Plus, I've read some worrying things about the chemicals that might be released as the coating wears off. It's just not worth the risk, so it was time for a change. Our new stainless steel. I can't tell you how happy I am to finally make this switch. Stainless steel is known for being durable, easy to clean, and non-reactive, which means it won't leach any weird chemicals into our food. Plus, it's pretty much indestructible, so I'm not going to have to worry about peeling or scratching like I did with the fake granites. I've read that stainless steel is perfect for cooking just about anything, from sauteing to simmering sauces, because it distributes heat evenly. And I don't know about you, but the thought of no more food sticking to the surface and no more peeling coating is enough to get me super excited. I can't wait to get this into action and start cooking with it. Honestly, the best part about upgrading to stainless steel is knowing I'm not just investing in something that looks good, but in something that is going to perform well and keep my food safe. And for anyone who's dealt with fake granite or non-stick coatings that start to fade over time, you know just how frustrating it can be. If you've ever had any issues with fake granite or other cookware that's just not holding up, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if you've made the switch to stainless steel, let me know how it's been working for you. I bought two cookwares, 20 and 24 centimeters. So here is 24 centimeters. Stainless steel is resistant to rust and corrosion, which means it stays looking shiny and new for longer. Let's not forget that it can go straight into the dishwasher, or you can just wipe it off with a cloth. No more worrying about food sticking to the surface and then struggling to scrape it off. It can go straight into the dishwasher, or you can just wipe it down with a cloth. So that's it for today's little kitchen update. I'm seriously pumped to start using this, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated on how they perform. If you've ever had any issues with fake granite or other cookware that's just not holding up, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section.